welcome back to my channel. It's Cassie here, and today I'm trying out a Amazon magnetic eyelash product. So let me just show you it right away. It looks like this. It's by the brand Evershine, and I was stoked when I found this. It comes with the eyelash tweezers, the magnetic glue, and then look at these freaking eyelashes. It's even got that 3D effect on it. It is so pretty, so I'm really hoping that this will look amazing on my eye. I'm gonna go ahead and just put on the liquid eyeliner. I'm gonna do this off camera because I know if I do it on camera, I'm gonna screw it up, so be right back. Okay, so I have one eye's eyeliner on, and on the instructions it says to put the lash on before the glue has completely dried for better results. Well, the lash definitely is sticking on perfectly, as you guys can see right here. They're not too thick, but they're long enough to look luscious. Oh no. You see this end right here? It's starting to come off. Let me just try and reattach it. Okay, it's okay. Let's try the other eye. I'm gonna put a bit more eyeliner this time just to see if maybe it'll help it stick a little bit better. And this time I'm gonna try something a little bit different. I'm going to bend this eyelash a little bit. This is the second eye, and I feel like the second eye is definitely sticking a lot better, and it feels a lot sturdier compared to my left eye. I'm just gonna take this one off. Oh, very interesting. You could definitely feel the hold power of the magnets. And I'm gonna redo my left eye again. There you go. Oh my god, they're both on and they're staying. The only downside is I think I put it too close to my inner eyelid corner, so I kind of feel it when I open my eyes because my crease is obviously not that big. Alright guys, I'm back. I have my lashes on. They are staying in place, not moving. Looks cute. Oh my god guys, I think we have found a winner. So a few tips for this magnetic eyelash kit. Don't use this, it's crappy, so bad to use. I'm good with just using my fingers, it's a lot easier to use. Second tip, this thing, make sure you shake it before you use it because the magnet stuff is like on the bottom, so you want to make sure you stir it up. Third tip, when you're applying this onto your eye, you have to make sure you apply a thick enough layer. So even though I've reapplied this like 2-3 times just because it kept coming off in the top, I realized once I started layering more layers of this eyeliner stuff, the magnet pull actually became stronger, and that's why I feel like it's sticking so well right now. It's because I've kind of put on like 2 layers on each side. It's pretty good to use. I find that the darkness, like the black color, is black enough. The tip is easy enough to control where I was actually able to do like a winged eyeliner. It was no problem. It wasn't clumpy either. I was able to correct mistakes I might have and like kind of adjust my eyeliner accordingly, and it was no problem. So this is great, fantastic. My next tip, the eyelashes, make them a little bit flexible before you use them, so kind of bend them into the shape of your eye before you actually use it, just to warm it up a little. Also, put down the front half first because that's the area that's going to either bother your eye or come off first. Make sure you don't put it too close to where your crease line is, or else your crease, every time you open your eyes, it's just gonna pull the magnet right off. It's quite comfortable to wear. I think out of 5, I would say it's like a 4, because of course no lashes are going to be perfect, but this definitely feels a lot better than wearing the Ardell magnetic lashes that kind of clip into each other, because they feel a lot more sturdy. As for the style of these lashes, I think they're fabulous. They're perfect for everyday wear. They're so much nicer than all of the other lashes I've seen, like the Ardell lashes. They look like crap, sorry, but it's true. All the other lashes that are magnetic, they just don't have this like fluffy, wispy, 3D eye effect look, and this one does. I could totally see myself wearing this to work, to go out with the girls. I don't know if this is gonna last if I went partying, but who knows? I'm gonna go ahead and just wear these lashes on for the rest of the day, and I'll check back later on and we'll see if there's been any changes. Just a little midday check-in. Right now is 4:02, and you can see right in this little inner corner, it's starting to kind of come off a little bit. I think it's because with this eye, I have on like 2 to 3 layers of eyeliner just because I had to keep redoing it. And then this eye, I only have 2 layers, and so I'm just gonna spot fix it right there and just stick it back on and see if that works. Turns out it wasn't coming off, it was just I didn't really have a lot of eyeliner there, so it looked like it was disconnected. Anyways, that is my afternoon check, and I'll check back again at night. It is 6:34 p.m. now, and I'm gonna zoom in closer so you guys can see the situation. So these are both of my eyes. You can see that this one is still perfect. This one, on the other hand, this front area keeps lifting up, and you know, it looks like it's starting to come off, but everything else is still perfectly intact. So I've gone out, I did my grocery shopping, I was in the car, there was some wind because I opened the window and I kind of had some wind blowing on me. I pretty much did all that, and it still looks really good, you know? So I think this success rate of this overall wear time is quite decent. I would definitely recommend to still bring that magnetic eyeliner with you everywhere you go, so that way you don't have to worry about one missing eyelash. I'm overall very, very impressed with this product. It is beautiful, it wears well. The eyeliner is actually really, really strong because see this little mark? I accidentally I guess drew a little bit on myself earlier today, and even now I'm trying to rub it off, and you see I can't even rub it off. So it has a really strong hold. That is a bonus because that means my eyeliner is not going to budge, it's not going to fade away. Hey guys, I'm filming this from a different day, but I did also want to add that when I removed the magnetic eyeliner yesterday, because it's so strong and it really sticks on your skin really, really well. Like, look, it's still, from the other day, it's still here. So what I would suggest is treat it like it's mascara, where you kind of have to warm it up by using warm water to kind of loosen the product before you actually remove it, because when you're just using like an oil-based makeup remover and you're trying to rub it off, it's not going to come off easily, and you don't want it to accidentally get in your eye. So what I did was I just took a nice hot shower, and during my shower the liquid liner would start to soften up and loosen up, and then I would just first wash my face in the shower and gently rub around my eyes. When you get out of the shower, you'll notice that a lot of it is gone, and then you kind of just want to go in and do more cleaning one more time. Be careful when you're removing it. You definitely don't want to be pulling and tugging on your skin. Skin around your eyes are very, very thin and very sensitive. Overall, I would give this a 9.5 out of 10, and the reason why it's 9.5 is because, of course, you know, this inner corner kind of came off, so that's the only reason why. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're interested in purchasing this product, you can use the link below. It is an affiliate link, so that means if you purchase from it, then I get a small little commission just showing that I recommended you the product. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!